Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from DraftKings step by step using online banking. This guide is simple and easy to follow even if you are brand new to DraftKings. Let's get started. First, open the DraftKings Sportsbook app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. From here, tap on the Withdraw Funds button to start the withdrawal process. Next, you will need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Type in the amount and then tap Continue. After that, you will be asked to choose a withdrawal method. For this example, select the online banking option. Now you are on the final step. Review all the details carefully and make sure the bank account shown is the correct one. When everything looks good, tap the Request Withdraw button to finalize the transaction. And that's it! You have successfully withdrawn money from your DraftKings Sportsbook account using online banking. Now you just need to wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account, depending on processing time. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.